President Donald Trump ni arikitie guikia ngono president wa bururi wa Venezuela mundu gwitwo Nicolas Maduro uria riu wikuirwa kana uria uguthitangwo na thitango ya wendia wa ndawa cia kurebia. Niki giratuma President Trump kana niki gitumaga Venezuela ikorwe kigirirwo guo ni bururi wa America. Bururi wa America wendaga thirikari ya Venezuela ikorwe very cooperative now tondu wake. Venezuela is located in the northern coast of South America na ina direct access kana ina direct link kuri the Caribbean na to the Atlantic shipping center. Koguo ri Venezuela ina utonga wa 330 billion barrels of oil irio na bemwe thini wa thi gukorwo na oil reserve nene oguo igicokwo ni bururi wa kuria Saudi Arabia ukiri na 280 billion barrels of oil, igacokwo ni bururi wa Iran na 250 billion barrels of oil. 330 billion barrels of oil in the last year Donald Trump oya wathani ni ugire atiriri ni maragura maguta maingi muno kuma kuri bururi kana kuma kuri thirikari ya Nicolas Maduro, na koguo maguta maria maragura kuma kuri ni maratongia thirikari ya Nicolas Maduro uria Trump oete ta a dictator. Naona tutanakinya haure Trump takeover ri nyamu ino no icungiririe third world war. The answer is yes. Gitumine giki Nicolas Maduro thutha wa thirikari ya President Donald Trump kumuikia ngono arari in talks with some Chinese officials aria marokite ku discuss a trade ya oil reserve ya bururi wa Venezuela. Kurigana na reports ile ireketie kurekererio thiini wa social media kana ugika research yaku ni ukuona ati China ni rakorirwo egitrap 60 billion US dollars iria marathite kugura cheap oil kuma kuri bururi ucio. And mind you, mabũrũri macio ma developed China, North Korea, Russia, Ukraine ni makoretwo magibanga strategically ku defend their wealth kana ku defend matuna maria marayo, na nikio na bara nene muno ithiete na mbere gugitafanio gatagati ka Ukraine na Russia. Same thing ha ni mabũrũri meri mena the same interest. US mena interest ya kuhiukia the 330 billion barrels of oil reserve kuma kuri bururi wa Venezuela me benefit nayo economically. Nayo China on the other hand maragura maguta maya kuma kuri bururi wa Venezuela. Mabũrũri macio meri mage collide and they are both superpowers. What will happen ni ati mako invoke military, mako je go solve maundu in a military dictatorship. Mabia go solve maundu in a military dictatorship. Of course hadhara nene ni gukorwo ki happen na mabũrũri maria ma supportaga China support China hari kuhura bururi wa US, na mabũrũri maria ma supportaga bururi wa America support America hari ku attack bururi wa China in an exchange ya kuona ati ni mahiukia the 330 billion barrels of oil reserves ikire thiini wa bururi wa Venezuela. No tutanakinya haure rekatora ni atiriri regardless ya maundu macio mothe maroyari, does Trump administration irikitie go take over as the interim government in bururi wa Venezuela? The answer to that is no. Trump tuwe uratongoria bururi wa Venezuela kwa ihinda riri. Kuringana na the Supreme Court kana kuringana na constitution ya bururi wa Venezuela, president agiehera mundu uria woyaga wathani wa bururi ucio ni the oyaga ta interim president ni mundu gwitwo vice president. Koguo gwotha ici Delcy Rodriguez niwe urikitie kuhiuka ta the interim president wa bururi wa Venezuela. Hugo Chavez akwiriire wathani-ini kuri tariki 5 March ya mwaka wa 2013 nake mundu gwitwo Nicolas Maduro akihiukia ta the interim president. Ona thaici uguo no guo gugithiete. Nicolas Maduro acokire ukahotana gikuhetuka history kanini ga bururi wa Venezuela, acokire ukahotana githurano kia April 14th 2013 akihota mundu ugwitwo Henrik na gicunje kia akihotana kindu gigwitwo 50.6% of the total votes. Kuma hindi iyo Nicolas akoretwo akiuraga economy ya Venezuela by half kuringana na most of the statistics iria kiro ni the world ni fegi ya thio the kana the World Bank. Oguo niguo maundu magaikarire kura bururi wa Venezuela, no gwa thaici Trump tu aratongoria bururi wa Venezuela ni mundu ugwitwo Delcy Rodriguez niwe wikitie kuhiukia ta the interim president wa bururi wa Venezuela.